Thank you. So funny sometimes around the festive season, we forget the most important part of it, right?
Outfit?
Exactly. And that's exactly why we are here to walk you through Kochi's most elegant, affordable,
Traditional,
boutiques for your Onam wardrobe.
This is the last minute shopping. So come follow us as we go through and try out the best sellers around Kochi. Where do you think we should go first?
I'm actually confused, but I think we should first go to Milan Designs in Jose Junction. Heard they have got really nice collection for Onam.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Come. It's a lovely store.
I swear to God. I mean, lovely, right?
Yeah. What are you gonna get?
I'm also confused about it. Maybe kaftans,
Yeah.
maybe just salwars, which has good like a server touch to it.
Okay, I
Maybe
think we should
sari.
check both.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do.
Hey Ria, check this out.
Oh.
I love the details.
Yeah?
I think we should try it out. Look at this.
This is so good. You're so picking this one. How
Yeah.
is this?
It's so nice.
Yeah?
I think it's expensive because of what it is.
Okay, guess the price.
An 8?
Cut to half.
4,000. What?
That's what it comes to. I just love for the material,
Yeah.
which is in pure cassava silk.
Yeah, I like it.
What the colors are doing here, the well blended ones.
You can maybe pair it with a green ornament like how it's going.
Or just wear it like that. What do you
Yeah.
think? Same goes with this, right?
Yeah, I think we can twin it someday.
We're so picking this one from
Yeah. Let's also try Salwar.
here. Yeah.
Let's see their Salwar collections. This is an anarkali suit where they have this detailing going on. If you're someone who's tired of seeing white and kassav, you definitely have other options that comes in contrasting color here at Milan. They have got a whole wardrobe this Onam season. You should not miss this out. I have picked my favorite. Let's go check Ria and a few sari collections too. Come.
So right now we just had a look at their amazing kaftan and salwar collections. Right now, this one which I'm wearing is from their exclusive Onam collection. This one, talking about this, is in a very soft, really beautiful tissue work. Comes with an amazing temple work attached to it, detailing to it. Let's wait and watch more of their Onam collections as Leah also comes out trying more of them. This is so good, right?
Yeah, I mean it's so different from the regular
Yeah.
Onam. Like the blouse and all. They have like pretty much very for maximalist people who want to celebrate Onam with so much of design
And in a
and the
quite
kundan.
different
Yeah.
way. They're so good.
Yeah.
So right, Leah, we have seen everything starting from your traditional, very classy cassava saris,
Yeah.
dresses,
Maximalist.
yeah, everything at Milan.
Yeah.
What do you think next stop should be like? Something a collector loves, something is designer made, something is
Customizable.
yeah, exactly. I have a place in mind,
Okay.
so why not check that out?
Where is it?
It's right at the center of Panampally Nagar, the heart of Panampally Nagar, in fact, Kalakari.
Beautiful, right? How Onam comes with a theme and a concept.
I swear. You know, it's just wonderful how, something as simple as this Chaduram print, they have used it on something so elegant like a lehenga.
Yeah. Even I love yours. Like it's
Such a functional wear, bro.
You can even wear it to your Goa trip.
Yeah.
Look at the other collections.
You just look at this kaftan. Do you think kaftans may be having a thing of their own during this Onam?
Definitely.
Yeah. Brings me towards this collection is how this entire concept is about lotus.
Like the three colors
Yeah.
of lotus coming together from pink, green And then we have the purple all together, which is hand woven in Kerala.
So all of these collection that you have just seen from the Chaduram range varies somewhere between 5,000 to 30,000. So what say, Leah? You think you've had enough, or do you want me to list more places?
Definitely more. I mean, one more.
I'll take you to one stop, the
Okay.
perfect paradise for any woman's Onam wardrobe, I must say. Are you ready though?
Very much. I want the last and the best.
So you know the place I sent you on Instagram the other day? This is exactly where we are today at Mariana Orbis in Panampilly Nagar. Actually, time we walk in and see what's it like.
Look at this. What I got for my niece.
I just can't. This one is by far the best I've seen today, right?
Yeah, look
so
at the detail,
cute.
the embroidery and
Lovely.
everything. What did you got for us?
I am so confused at this point.
Okay.
Look at this one.
This is
The
lovely.
nice work. Yet so elegant. It's not
What am I
loud.
seeing? The orange.
It's for that not so Onam look. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For
it's
people who love some loud colors.
For
Yeah.
the evening function also, you
Yeah.
can wear it after it.
But what I really stand among this.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is definitely going to be my main Onam day dress.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Look at the detailing, like the sheer and then the kasavu
It's
coming
so modern,
inside.
girl,
Yeah,
right?
it's modern and then traditional.
Absolutely.
You can see it out. Thank you.
So with our final destination at Mariana Orbis in the heart of Panampilly Nagar, we have finally winded our Onam series, right?
Yeah.
So if at all there is anything that you have loved watching our Onam collection video, you know where to drop in by, right? Please feel free.
To shop from wherever we have gone because it's the best in town, and follow us for more. Bye.
Bye.